Hi, everyone. Allow me to introduce you to Adam Atwell. Adam is a Catalyst Crew team member, and his role is lead generation expert. So, what we do with Adam, we've got this training document, and we click on the link to access Adam's custom GPT. And the you'll see in the document, these are the inputs we're giving to Adam. He's going to create a lead generation plan. So the first prompt we copy and paste, and I've done this a few times. So I now upload the document, which is called Catalyst Crew Launch Details. And this is my working document. And I've got a bunch of things in here that you will never have, so don't worry about trying to match what I have exactly. But based on this, we're giving Adam the Catalyst Crew details, and we want to confirm that he has access to them. So he's confirming he has access to the data. And now what we do is we go and paste in the second prompt. And if you've done the first steps right, these should be fairly straightforward. Um, okay, now I have my persona is Maya Morgan. Okay. So what we would do now is we're going to answer these questions to the best of our ability. Um, you will have to go through this. This will take you some time. I don't want to bore you with mine. So I have a little cheat. And by the way, I'm doing this quickly for the sake of a training video because I don't want you to watch me painfully answering this. But seriously, I go down and answer one question at a time. And basically, I would say in response to your questions, um, and then you just type in the answers, and I leave a space between each question. So I do it all in one prompt. So you'll see, because I've done this before, it's answering the questions for me. It's creating a bunch of different things. Okay, so we can go on to the next prompt. And basically, once you answer the questions, and take your time, there's no right or wrong answers, give as much detail as you can, but it will create a draft plan for you. Now, mine's going to be generic. It's not going to make me happy if I read it in detail because I didn't bother answering the questions. So I want you to go back and do that. But I'm doing this quickly just to show you what this looks like. And then once we've done that, the final prompt is how do we pass this along to the next member of Catalyst Crew, which is Liam Long in this case. So what I do, and again, normally I'd read this, normally I'd go back and forth, I'd ask questions, but I'm just going to copy it and it's taking a while, so we'll let it finish. So this has given me a full plan on how I can generate leads. Now, personally, I'd want to tailor this because I don't use social media generally. I only use LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, so I copy this and I put it into my main document. Oops. And I make sure that is a level H1, heading 1. Okay, now this has my lead generation plan. So now I'm going to download this and we're going to create a prompt to pass this along to Liam. Now, you can either use my prompt or you can use this prompt. I'll let you choose. So this will speed things up if you let it do the summary. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead. But literally, that is all you need to do with Adam is make sure you understand um, the plan that Adam has created for you, and anything in here that you don't know or don't understand, ask Adam to explain it to you. That his entire job is helping you create lead generation programs that work. So if you're stuck in lead generation, Adam is a great resource. And I can't stress this enough. Make sure you have the background information before you get to Adam, because the better your other results are, the more focused they are, the better Adam's results will be. So I'm going to close this out. Okay, so thank you, Adam. And in the next video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Liam Long.